Hello guys, welcome back to an awesome video in our channel. So today we are going to discuss about something different. What is that? Last week I got this package from Adcom. So Adcom is a brand that develops or manufactures different items like headphones, mobile lenses and many such items. So of which our channel is a photography channel, and yes, Adcom has decided to send this product. Yes, it's a review product. Our channel is getting a first review product. So they have sent us this package for review. Yes guys, this is the Adcom travel lens, which is a macro lens, 12x24x macro. Let's see all about the pros and cons in this video. It came in this box, and inside which we had this pouch. Yes guys, we have the Adcom travel lens mentioned in the pouch. It looks premium, hard case, and you also have a hook to hang it on your bags or somewhere else. And inside this we had the Adcom 12x24x macro lens. So this is the lens guys. So we have a good clip, it's very premium. You have a matte finish or kind of a mesh thing on the inner part of this clip. It's also like movable so that it adjusts according to the mobile that you are going to just use this. So here we have two lenses. One is a 12x lens, and inside which we have another 12x. Together it forms as a 24x macro. So you can take 12x macro images and also 24x macro images. So yes guys, that's more about the physical overview of this clip lens from Adcom. So yes guys, we are gonna see some sample photos and videos that I took from my mobile with this Adcom 12x24x macro lens. First, let's start with the vignette test. So for that, my mobile is ready and the lens is also ready. So let's first increase the brightness to full so that it's visible for you too. And let's attach the lens, and before that I'll just show you. So for vignette test we need to keep the aspect ratio in 3:4 so that there is no crop on the image. So I'm just selecting the aspect ratio 3:4. If you go to full screen, it will be cropping the image and hence you will not know if there is any vignette happening. So let's first attach the lens. This is the 12x Adcom lens. So only one lens is there. So if you see, we don't have any vignette, so it's pretty good. Let's take a sample image and also check that. So in the sample image also we don't have any vignette marks. So let's give 10 on 10 for this 12x macro. Now let's attach the another 12x. So now the lens is converted into a 24x macro. So we have attached the lens. So let's see the camera. Oops. Yes guys, we are having that black markings on the corner. What do you say? The black curves on the corner, which is called as the vignette. So if you move the aspect ratio to full screen, you won't be able to see that vignette because it's actually cropping in. Actually, for vignette test, we should be checking the vignette with 3:4 aspect ratio where the full sensor is on use. So let's also take some sample image and check that. So yes guys, in the sample image we can clearly see that all the corners are having that black mark, which is called as vignette. So yes, that's really bad on the 24x macro. Let's try with the full screen. So in the full screen sample we don't find that vignette. So yes, we cannot take a 3:4 aspect ratio image with the 24x macro. So I just give 5 out of 10 for this 24x macro. So on average, the vignette test, this lens gets 7.5 out of 10. Let's move to the focus or sharpness test. So for this, I'm just gonna try this test with a still object that it is not at all moving, and also I'm just gonna use my pro mode on my mobile with focus peaking on to just see which part of the image is in focus, so that it will be easy for us to easily find out if the image is in focus or not. So first I'm just attaching the 24x macro, and let's go closer and see if we have focus on the entire image or not. So as we go closer, we can see like the image is getting focused, but yet we have some deformation at the corners. So that is fine, it's quite normal for macro lenses. And also this bokeh is also really nice. You can also see the same in the image. So yes guys, we could find good amount of focus on the images that we take with the 12x macro. So my mark for the 12x macro focus test is 9 out of 10, focus and sharpness test. Now let's attach the 24x macro. So while I just thread in, you can see the vignette is already there on the screen. So all the 4 borders are dark. So that's fine. Let's do the same with the 24x macro. I'm just moving closer. So even for a still object, we need to move this close to the object to just capture the 24x macro image. That is a drawback here, because for still objects it's fine, but if you're taking an image of a moving object or something, getting this closer is really annoying. That would be more hard for you to capture the crisp image on your mobile. So that's also a drawback that to be noted here. So maybe maintaining a distance and getting that macro would have worked better. So my mark for the 24x macro lens is 7 out of 10. So on an average, both 12x and 24x together get 8 out of 10 on the focus or sharpness test. Moving on to the deformation test, the 12x is performing better comparatively to the 24x. So on an average for deformation test, I am giving 8.5 out of 10. So my mark or rating for this lens is 8 out of 10. So the price of this lens is 1190 rupees in both Amazon and their official website as well. You can just go ahead and purchase it. And if you want the direct links, I will put in the description. You can go ahead and purchase this lens. So what do you think guys? How was this lens? Seeing those sample photos and videos, what do you think? Let me know in comments. So yes guys, that's all about this macro 12x24x lens from Adcom India. So yes guys, that's it for this video. We have come to the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Carrier from India. We talk photography, filmmaking, editing and many other social media stuffs that help creators like us. So if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. Thank you guys. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's your Carrier signing off.